Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Java variables and literals with the help of examples. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates. In variables, we will see following points, that is what is variable, how to create variable, how to change values of variable, what are the rules for naming variable, and what are their types. What is variable? A variable is a location in memory to hold data. To indicate the storage area, each variable should be given a unique name. A variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. A variable is assigned with a data type. Variable is name of reserved area allocated in memory. In other words, it is a name of memory location. It is combination of vary plus able, that means its value can be changed. Here we have an example of variable declaration and its memory allocation. In this example, int is the data type of the variable, age is the variable name, and 20 is the value of the variable. Memory area for the variable age is reserved in RAM. How to create variables in Java? To create a variable, you must specify type and assign it a value. In this syntax, type is one of data type such as int or string, and variable name can be any name which you want. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variable. Here we have an example. The first example is about storing the text in variable. In the example, we have assigned value to the variable during declaration. However, it's not mandatory. You can declare variables and assign values separately. So here's another example of variable. In this example, we are declaring a variable without assigning the value and assign the value later. The value of a variable can be changed in the program. We have an example. Here, initially the value of marks variable is 70. Later we changed it to 86. However, we cannot change the data type of a variable in Java within the same scope. Java programming language has its own set of rules for naming variables. Here are the rules you need to know. Java is a case sensitive. Hence, words written in uppercase and lowercase are two different variables. Variables must start with either a letter or an underscore or a dollar sign. Variable names cannot start with numbers. Variable names can't use white space. When creating variables, choose a name that makes sense. If you choose one-word variable names, use all lowercase letters. For variable names having more than one word, use all lowercase letters for the first word and capitalize the first letter of each subsequent word. Types of variables in Java. There are 4 types of variables. First is instance variable, also known as non-static fields. Second is class variables, also known as static fields. Third is local variables, and fourth is parameters. Instance variable, a variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method, is called instance variable. It is not declared as static. It is called instance variable because its value is instance specific and is not shared among instances. Non-static fields are also known as instance variable. because their values are unique to each instance of a class. For example, the current speed of one car is independent from the current speed of another. Class variables. A variable which is declared as static is called as static variables. It cannot be local. You can create a single copy of static variable and share among all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. Local variable. A variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. You can use this variable only within that method, and the other methods in the class aren't even aware that the variable exists. A local variable cannot be defined with static keyword. The syntax for declaring a local variable is similar to declaring a field. There is no special keyword designating a variable as local. Local variables are only visible to the methods in which they are declared. They are not accessible from the rest of the class. Parameters. Recall that the signature for the main method is public static void main string args. Here the args variable is the parameter to this method. The important thing to remember is that parameters are always classified as variables, not fields. Literals are data used for representing fixed values. They can be used directly in the code. Here are different types of literals in Java. In Java, Boolean literals are used to initialize Boolean data types. They can store two values, true and false. A string literal is a sequence of characters enclosed inside double quotes. A floating point literal is a numeric literal that has either a fractional form or an exponential form. Character literals are Unicode character enclosed inside single quotes. An integer literal is a numeric value without any fractional or exponential part. There are 4 types of integer literals in Java: binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to like.